Sa Office of the Vice President, ang confidential at intelligence funds doon ni Sara Duterte ay 500 million. Pagdating sa DepEd, ang confidential fund niya ay 150 million. Nagiging issue itong confidential fund ng Department of Education. Unang-una, marami ang napapataas kilay. Bakit naman may confidential at intelligence funds ang Department of Education? Ang intelligence funds kasi may tinitiktikan ka eh. Ito yung mga pondo sa surveillance. Kumbaga, ito kadalasan ay pondo ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno na may intelligence and surveillance activities. Halimbawa ang NBI, halimbawa ang Department of National Defense, ang AFP, ang PNP, mayroon niyang mga trabaho ng surveillance at intelligence. Kasi may mga minamanmanan sila, mayroon silang intelligence gathering. So, tinatanong ngayon, ano ba ang intelligence gathering or surveillance activities na sinasagawa ng Department of Education at mayroon itong intelligence funds? Ang confidential funds naman, bakit kailangang isikreto? Ano bang mga trabaho ng Department of Education, ano bang mga programa at ginagawa nito ang kailangang isikreto at tawagin pang confidential funds na nagkakahalaga ng 150 million. Kaya sa pagdinig ng Kamara, binusisi nito ni Congressman Ed Silagman ng Albay ang issue ng confidential funds. Tinanong ni Congressman Ed Silagman, ano para saan ba yung confidential funds na yan? At kapag ba nagsasagawa ng surveillance or intelligence activities ang DepEd, kasama ba nila ang mga iba pang mga intelligence gathering agencies? Halimbawa, NBI, ISAP, yung PNP Intelligence Office, kasama ba ito? Paano ginagawa ng DepEd yung kanilang surveillance and intelligence gathering activities? So, sunod-sunod yung tanong ni Congressman Ed Silagman. Ang sunod na tanong, tinanong si Sara Duterte, gaano ba kalaki ang pangangailangan ng pondo ng DepEd? Sabi niya, malaki kasi marami daw problema ang DepEd. O ngayon, tinanong siya ngayon ni Ed Silagman. Sabi ni Ed Silagman, point blank, kung ganyan karami ang problema ng DepEd, willing ka ba na bitiwan na yung confidential funds? Gamitin na yan para sa sinasabing mga mas iba-iba pang pangangailangan ng DepEd. Alam nyo kung anong sagot ni Sara, mga kabunyog, mga kabayan? Hindi. Hindi talaga. Ayaw bitiwan. Ayaw bitiwan, mga kabunyog. Ito, panoorin natin.
Considering the universe of shortages in the Department of Education, how much should be the sufficient or adequate appropriation for the next fiscal year for the Department of Education?
Madam Chair, for the next fiscal year, we requested approximately 900 billion for the budget of the Department of Education. We were approved approximately 700 billion in the National Expenditure Program.
Now,
But may I just add for the information of or all our fellow Filipinos, we understand that there is insufficiency across all departments, not just the Department of Education. There is insufficiency in other crucial departments as well, particularly those in the social services sector like DSWD and DOH. The Department of Education is currently pursuing 2 tracks to solve the problems of basic education. Of course, we are there with the traditional build more classrooms and hire more teachers track that has been the solution of previous administrations and previous secretaries. But right now, we are pursuing another track as well, and that is learning from the lessons from the pandemic, where we want to institutionalize the blended learning program, where we intend to address the congestions in the classrooms, the lacking of classrooms, and the shortage of teachers by leveraging technology and using the asynchronous and synchronous styles of delivery in teaching. And that is currently the tracks that the Department of Education is doing with regard to our effort to solve the problems in basic education. We are trying to innovate in coming up with solutions, considering that we recognize the insufficiency of budget across all departments.
In the implementation of your confidential funds, do you request the assistance of experienced military and police officers in the conduct of confidential and surveillance activities?
Madam Chair, yes.
Yes.
We secure their assistance in various problems in our schools.
And do you give any compensation, allowance to these experienced police and military officers?
No, Madam Chair, we do not give allowances.
Considering the universe of shortages in the Department of Education, which would need adequate funding, Madam Secretary, would you voluntarily withdraw your request for confidential funds in the Department of Education?
Madam Chair, there is a purpose and a need for confidential funds in the Department of Education because basic education is intertwined with national security. But of course, as we always say, we leave it to the discretion of the members of the House of Representatives and the Senate, the wisdom of granting confidential funds to the Department of Education.
Sabi ni Edsel Lagman, sabi mo, napakaraming problema. Kailangan ng dagdag na pondo ng DepEd. Willing ka bang i-withdraw ang yung confidential funds? Ibig sabihin, para mas magamit doon sa mas mga importanteng pagkakagastusan. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw niya talagang bitiwan.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.